Y'all see it because y'all know my school won. Period. Okay. Yeah, guys. So if you're looking at this look, I just did a look with BoxyCharm, who you guys know I am a partner with. I will insert the video on one of these sides for you guys, but it is getting towards the end of the night and your girl is about to take off her makeup, which is my favorite part of the night. It's taking it off. But I want you guys to know that I was gifted by Pixi Beauty. I just got accepted into their PR team, and they sent me this lovely PR box that comes with the Pixi Skin Treats multi-toning. So let's see if you guys can see that. And this other one, which looks like a smaller version of the other one, pretty much. Well, actually no, this one is a 4x Glow Essentials. So it says it has a Glow Mud Cleanser, Deep Purifying Cleanser, a Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, Lotion, and Deep Purifying Mask with the Glow Mud Mask. And then they have some Glow Tonic cloths in here. And what we're going to do today is we're going to test out these products. I'm going to try out their wipes first to see how much makeup is going to come off my face. Okay, as y'all can see, I have put on the Winter Circle Winter Team shirt. I'm just kidding, y'all, it's my pajama shirt. I think they gave me this shirt my freshman year at the school. Yeah, let's go ahead and take this makeup off. So first things first, these things. This is my favorite part. It's like taking off a bra. Oh my goodness. Bear with me, y'all, because I actually put my lashes up before. I'll be mad that I can't find them. Excuse me. But we about to see how these Glow Tonic cleansing cloths clean. It says it has aloe vera and chamomile. I love me some chamomile tea, so let's see if these smell good. I feel like I got a booger. If y'all hear my baby crying, I'm sorry. He's downstairs with his dad. I'm also trying to hurry up so I can get back to him. So I know he needs some TLC. Okay, stretchy. But let's see how they work. Ooh, they smell so good. I can definitely smell the aloe in this. What I will say for right now, though, we're getting it off. It's a wipe. I will say the Clean and Clear wipes are my favorite wipes though, but it's gonna have to do justice right now. Maybe if I mix it. I'm about to mix it because I feel like these wipes alone are just more meant for like everyday usage as opposed to makeup wipes. Say hi, boy. So we got another guest appearance from Kaden. Yes, boy. Say hi, mommy. Say hi, mommy. What you gonna say to the people, huh? What you gonna say to the people, huh? See, I don't know. Well, mommy was showing them that these wipes are okay. But what I'm gonna mix them with is this other makeup remover right here. It's by Avant. It's a hyaluronic biphase hyaluronic acid rejuvenated micellar water. You can't have this, and I've used it like 5 times already, and it's really, really good. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get this makeup off of mommy's face. See, that works a lot better with this added. What you think? Say it's coming off. You watching mommy on the TV? Huh? Is you watching mommy on the TV? Say oh yeah. Say oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna get this stuff off my face and then we're gonna move on So next, I'm gonna go wash my face and see if I can put Fat Boy down real quick, guys. So give me a second. Go ahead and put my hair in a bun. So I tested out the Glow Mud Cleanser by Pixi. I'm about to show it to you guys in a second. I actually like the way it cleans. It cleans very gentle, but it gets the job done, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I didn't feel like it was harsh on my skin whatsoever, and I like that because I got sensitive skin. But I use this. I really like the way it feels on my skin. It made my skin feel really soft. As y'all can see, I got dark spots. My nail broke. Ooh, my nail broke. But next thing I'm gonna try is the Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner Lotion. Let's see what it's talking about. So, okay. Is that the same thing? So this is the same thing in here. This one has a milky tonic and this one has a retinol tonic. So hold on. The milky tonic says calming, hydrating, and enriching with jojoba milk to comfort the complexion. The tonic is infused with oat extract to help soothe and balance, rehydrate and nourish for all skin types. Then the Glow Tonic is exfoliating tonic with glycolic acid, evens out skin tone for a brighter, clearer, smoother complexion for all skin types. The multi-action tonic will release retinol acid, replenishes skin, and potent antioxidants. Honestly, these all sound really, really good. Like, would I be crazy to try them all out? I feel like I'd be crazy to try them all out, but then I'd be crazy if I don't. I don't know about trying them all except, well, they don't have much alcohol in them. Let me see, because, okay, I'm not going to use that because I got that one for. Ooh, that's loud. Retinol Tonic. I'm gonna try this Retinol Tonic with the Glow Tonic. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So, let's see what they're talking about. This is the Retinol Tonic. And this is the Glow Tonic. So, I'm gonna do retinol first. So let's see. Well, you see, obviously the makeup was still some makeup on my face, so that's one thing I can appreciate. I washed my face good, but apparently it was still makeup on there. Let's see, that's the kind of products you need to make sure all of it's off your daggone face. So, oh, I look dead. I look dead. All right. This baby, it gotta be a girl, because I feel like, look at all that. Oh my gosh. That does not look good, sweetie. That does not look good. You need to take care of your skin. They got a mud mask on here. I might try that. Alright, we're gonna try the Glow Tonic now. Let's see what that is. I feel like that retinol really opened up my skin. Dang, like how much makeup did I have on my face? I still feel like I'm wiping off makeup. What in the world? Oh. I look busted. And that ain't cute. So we have this Glow Mud Mask. It says aloe vera, ginseng, and mineral rich mud combined to create the ultimate deep pore cleansing and skin and dredging mask. Supply a thin layer on a clean skin avoiding area. Let dry and then rinse off. Okay. Well, maybe this is like the final step in this. Well, actually, my final step is 112 Skin. The thing runs for $100 and something. So. Okay, so we're going to, oh, okay. Let's see what you do for the girl's skin, because she needs oil right now, honey. My lips are dry. Oh, it smells good though. I can't even describe what it smells. Well, it probably smells like the items I just said it has in it though. Alright, so I'm gonna let this dry on my face while I clean up my glam room. So I will see you guys in like 10 minutes on YouTube. 10 seconds. Alright, so we're back. I took the mask off because it was dry, and honestly, it started tingling and burning a lot while it was on my face. But I'm going to use this lip scrub to get the extra chapped off my lips. I normally get it off. Well, I got it off with the mask. I just put a warm crown press on my lips and scrubbed it off. But I feel like this right here is what's needed for my lips. Right down now. This one is brown sugar. But it's alright. It's right, eco lips. And organic. And they say you can taste it too. You can taste the brown sugar, but I also taste a hint of chopstick in it. I wouldn't do that. Get it off my lips now. Press in my mouth. So what I will say about these wipes, you would want to mix it with something else that's probably a little bit more alcohol based. I feel like that one's oil based, but normally oil gets off makeup pretty well. Let me see if that's oil based. It has aloe, like I said, chamomile. So I don't really tell you, in vitamin E, I don't really tell you too much of what's in it, but I feel like you gotta mix it with some hyaluronic acid. Isn't that pretty? You gotta shake it to mix it, but I would definitely mix it with something like that. Now what I'm gonna do is use my 112 Skin along with this thing by Pharmacy. I got it with BoxyCharm. It's an oil-free gel moisturizer. I actually like the way it feels on my skin, and I like to mix the moisturizer with my drops when I put it on my skin. You don't need much of this gel. It smells so good, but you only need a little bit. And then I do my forehead too, because it's kind of dry. Oh, come on. Forehead's kind of dry. That's good enough. One little drop. Moistening product. 2 little drop. I would normally put mine on my forehead, but this stuff costs a lot. I'm just gonna moisturize my face. Oh, that feels so much better. Put some on her neck. Do our forehead. And ooh, I feel hydrated. And okay, so the thing about my skin is I have naturally oily skin, but you don't ever want to stop moisturizing your skin, so I still moisturize it. But the healthy way, not so much oils. And then I got this other thing from BoxyCharm too. This one's by Seraphine Botanicals. It's called Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask. So you can use this. This has makeup on it. Why does that makeup on it? You can use this as like a lip gloss, or you could just use it for your lips. I know I had a box somewhere, but I guess I must have threw it away. Well, basically, you just use it on your lip to rejuvenate your lips. It smells good too. It smells like apples. And it goes on like a lip gloss. And to finish up this video, I'm gonna put on my scarf and my bonnet and drink me a tall glass of water and do some laundry. But that's pretty much it for this, guys. For this video, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more skin routine videos from me, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and turn that bell so you can be notified when I uploads. As you can see, my mood is winding down because I am tired. It is 9:44. I'm about to go chill out. Bonnet room. About to get my water. Put my thing back in the freezer. And call it a night. See you next time.